Hellraisers out there. I know you're watching. I got one of the oldest drinks in the book coming to you today. Jack and Coke. Two simplest drinks you can get. Get you a bottle of Jack and get you a liter of Coke, and you're good to go. Make sure you get ice. You can also put this in a bigger glass. You can make this two different ways. You can give it a splash of Jack or a splash of Coke. But I'm not going to do the splash of Coke, because here on the Hellraiser channel, we drink like Vikings. We drink like warriors. No, in all seriousness, no. I'm older now, so like my tolerance is at a totally different level, and it's insane. Although I did get the honey, I appreciate the honey Jack Daniels a whole lot more than I do the rye one. And then, although granted the rye one is really good, trying that last week out was really interesting. It was really interesting because Jack Daniels, you know, they're known to be strong, and that's what it is. It's Jack Daniels. It's whiskey, Tennessee whiskey. Now Tennessee's got a different, you know, version of whiskey as Kentucky does. Now you can count well, this is a whiskey. What Kentucky does, they make bourbon, which is a different, it's filtered and distilled differently than what normal whiskey is. So when you see bourbon, it's the same thing as whiskey, but it's a different whiskey. It's like Irish whiskey is totally different from, you know, one of the most well-known whiskey brands in America. Without further ado, let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe and comment. Let us know what you think. I like plenty of ice. I don't like to hold back on the ice. Alright, so we're going to do 2 ounces of Jack, or you can free fall it however you want to do it. Again, it's pretty much your own concoction at this point. You can also put bitters in it too. I want you guys to do a little vote for me in the comment section below. Feel free to do so. 2. There you go. That's a Jack and Coke. I want you to vote for what drink I should do next, and the 2 drinks I want you to vote between are a Moscow Mule and a shit. What was it? A Moscow Mule. Technical difficulties. I was having trouble thinking of it. I want you to vote on a White Russian and a Moscow Mule for me. Both are vodka stylized drinks. One's a little bit stronger than the other, but one's a little bit more flavor to it. That'll be the next. One of those 2 are going to be the next mixed drinks, but it's in the hands of the Hellraisers. But as long as we get at least 10 votes in, I think we'll have our answer to our next mixed drink video. But it's in the hands of the people. I'm leaving it in the hands of the people. You, Hellraisers, you. But stay tuned for more drinks like this, or any drink of that matter. That's delicious. But feel free to comment and give your drinking experiences, or any experience you have. Till next time, peace out.